Jenna Lee Baker, a young nanny, clutched little Josh tightly as she bolted out of the house, heart pounding. Behind her, a shadowy figure descended the stairs. Her quick thinking had just averted a potential disaster, securing Josh's safety before the intruder could cause harm. But hey, before we dive into the story, do yourself a favor and pause the video right now. Go hit that like button and let's see if we can make this video reach 1,000 likes. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to your favorite story channel. Also make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and weirdest stories. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming your way. Now, sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on an unforgettable ride. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Jonathan and his wife, residents of Irvine, California, faced the typical dilemma of many modern parents, balancing demanding careers with raising their young son, Josh. Jonathan, a real estate agent, and his wife, a corporate lawyer, struggled to find time for their family. With little time to spare, they embarked on a meticulous search for a trustworthy nanny who could provide Josh with the care and attention he needed. After extensive interviews and countless agency calls, they found Jenna, a young woman with a natural affinity for children. Unlike many candidates who seem to treat childcare as just a job, Jenna's genuine care and attention shone through. She played with Josh as if he were her own, earning the trust and admiration of his parents. One sunny afternoon, Jenna took Josh to the playground. The energetic toddler raced around the swings and slides while Jenna kept a watchful eye on him. After a fun-filled session, they headed home. As they stepped through the door, Jenna sensed something was amiss. The house felt different. Objects were out of place and certain rooms were in disarray. Initially, Jenna thought she might have left things untidy, but the extent of the mess was too significant to ignore. She soon realized that someone had been inside. Just as she pieced this together, she heard a noise from upstairs. Panic set in when she comprehended the gravity of the situation. They were not alone, and the intruder was still in the house. Without hesitating, Jenna dashed into the kitchen, scooped up Josh, and made a beeline for the door. Her swift action was crucial as she saw a large figure descending the stairs. She sprinted to the neighbors, clutching Josh tightly, and called the police. The security footage from that day captured everything. The video showed the burglar rummaging through the house, searching for valuables. When Jonathan and his wife reviewed the footage, they were horrified. The thought of such a violation in their own home was unsettling. Jonathan expressed his gratitude for Jenna's bravery, acknowledging that her quick thinking had protected his son from potential harm. What Jenna did for Josh is incredible. I can't thank her enough. She truly is a guardian angel, he said. Jenna, modest and unassuming, downplayed her heroism. I don't see myself as a hero. I just did what anyone would have done, she said. However, the Irvine police emphasized that the situation could have ended much worse. The intruder's intentions were unknown, and Jenna's actions likely prevented a tragic outcome. What do you think of Jenna's courageous actions? Could you have done the same in her place? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more inspiring stories with you soon.